Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to do two easy experiments at home. Do you want to see how to put this candle in the water, or do you want to see how to inflate a balloon without using your mouth? Then this video is perfect for you. Watch this video to learn how to do these experiments at home. And if you want to see more awesome videos like this, remember to subscribe and hit the little bell icon below. Now the first experiment is called inflating the balloon without using your mouth. Now for making this experiment, you're going to need a funnel, a plastic bottle with some vinegar, a balloon and some baking soda. First, you're going to take your balloon and put it on the funnel like this. Now you have to put your baking soda on the funnel. Make it fully go inside. I'll come back after I put the whole baking soda inside the balloon. Now after you put the baking soda inside the balloon, you're going to take it out, and now the action is going to begin. You're going to take your balloon and put the balloon on top of the bottle. Now my other balloon, which I put baking soda inside, it has been broken, so I took another one and filled it with baking soda. Now, as I was saying, you're going to put it on the balloon slowly like that, but the baking soda, the balloon should not topple up and it should not go on the top. So now here the action is going to begin right now. If I just lift the balloon, all the baking soda will fall into the vinegar, and that will create a huge reaction which makes air come up and which it will inflate the balloon. Let's see. Whoa! Wow, you can see that the balloon is getting inflated, right? Wow, super. This acidic reaction was a very big reaction that made so much carbon dioxide come up and fill in the balloon. Now we can take it out. It's tough to take it out, but I'll get it after I take it out. Now I've took the balloon out. I'm just going to tie it up. Now you see that it has the balloon has got blown up with only 2 ingredients, and you didn't use your mouth. Now let's move on to our next amazing experiment. Now I'm going to show you one more mind-blowing experiment, which is called fire under the water. If you now for making this experiment, you'll need a lighter, a candle, a clear glass and a bowl of water, a spoon and some food color. First, you're going to color the water by taking some food color and putting it on the water like that. Now I'm just going to mix it fully. Now you can see the water is colored red. Now I'm going to show you how the candle will go inside the water. First you have to light your candle on fire, then put it on the water. After that you'll take your glass and cover the candle. Wow, you can see it's lighting underwater. Let me show it to you again. I'm going to light the candle. Oops. Okay, you can see the candle is lighted. I'm going to zoom it in and you'll see that it's inside the water. I'm going to zoom it in. 3, 2, 1. Wow, you can see it's on fire, but it went away after I've covered it for too long. I'll show it to you one last time. You can see I've zoomed in the video. I'm going to do it again. You're going to cover it, and I'm going to put the glass on top of the candle. I'm going to put the glass on the candle. You have to push it down and put it fully down in the water. You can see it's lighted over here, but the light goes off after the oxygen in the glass goes away. I'll explain how this works again. So first you light the candle, right? So now when you light the candle, fire can only stay when there is oxygen. Now when there was oxygen, because above in the air over here there is oxygen. Now when I cover it with my glass, there's some air in this, right? Now so I cover it and there's oxygen provided in the glass. So when the oxygen is gone, when the oxygen finishes in the glass, the candle will light off. That was how you do the second experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You should try doing these mind-blowing experiments at home. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.